Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to talk about how to automate savings contributions in Cleo. Now, once you set a goal, Cleo can automate contributions using AIs to find small, safe amounts to save without hurting your budget. And here's how to enable automatic savings. First thing you got to do is, of course, to open up the Cleo app and then go to the Save tab. And once you're there, you want to tap your goal, and then you're going to select automatic savings. Now you're going to need to choose a savings mode. So you have two types. The first is the AI mode, and here this is the recommended one because Cleo analyzes your cash flow and picks the best time and amount. Or you can choose the second mode, which is to set amounts. So you can choose how much to save. That is, you could set it to like $5 every 3 days, stuff like that, and Cleo will follow according to your selection. Now you can also set a frequency. Of course, you can need to set the frequency daily, every 3 days, weekly, whatever. Just go ahead and set the frequency, and you're gonna need to confirm. And once that's done, Cleo is gonna handle the rest. Now, Cleo moves funds into your Cleo wallet, a virtual savings pot where you can withdraw from anytime you need. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough, at least to some extent. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.